know the Donk is back. We finally got it back from paint. All right, we out here, Barona Drags. Go! The merch fan for the win. We're gonna race you next time.
Oh yeah, so when you don't gonna be ready, Scott?
You saw it good there.
I did check that, look good.
All right, welcome back. The Donk. What are we doing today, guys?
Ron's in the back. He's putting on tail lights, bumper. He's assembling everything in the back. Hurt and Micah they're doing things in the front. And you and I are doing some body trim. We gotta buff out a little bit here, stick the right work back on.
And then we need a shroud.
We need a, oh yeah, that's right. Because we lost the other one.
I don't even know if that's really called a shroud. I think it's just a panel,
it's a thing.
But whatever.
We need to hold this down. Yeah. So I think you're gonna do that, right? That's gonna
Guess I'm doing that.
It's gonna occupy his whole day.
So what's the goal?
Finish it.
Keep Scotto busy.
Wait. Before we move any further, if you're new here, because Donk's been away for a little while. These wheels are not the wheels that are going to be on this car.
Yeah.
No, these were our shop wheels.
Honestly,
like
that's a really
you don't want to put.
Yeah,
That's a good point. Yeah. You don't want to put wheels on your car that you really care about and send it to a body shop because they usually get banged up. So these were our builder wheels. Should we give them a little teaser of the new wheel?
But like Fight Club, where they just...
Oh yeah, just like a penis.
Frame. Yeah, exactly.
There you go. That's it. You guys just got it. Something else I think we should point out is a few people asked, why did we just do a cap and not do a full carbon roof? Super, you want to explain that?
If we tried to do a full carbon roof, we'd have to make a mold, reverse it, and then lay the new carbon on, and somehow or another fuse it to old crusty metal.
And we'd also have to build a structure.
Yeah, and then we'd have to build this whole crazy contraption.
But we are doing a real carbon hood and eventually trunk, which should save like 200, 300 pounds.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, by the way, the car looks kind of green right here. I don't want to start this argument. Come here. No. Just come here. Yo, color is science. It's a wave-like spectrum.
He said this in the text messages last night. He sent a group text about this. It's over.
So what are we doing back here? So to start, we're just gonna dampen everything back here. We're gonna put some of the Thermo-Tec stuff back here. Kind of keep things cool, but really the biggest thing is, we got subs back here. So we wanna make sure everything doesn't rattle. A, from the big block, but B, from whatever we got jamming back here. So I'm just gonna put a strip here, a strip here. That's gonna dampen the sound on these panels. And then just kind of finish what we got going here. Yeah, gonna start with that, and then we'll move into taillights and shit like that later. All right, so I got to build some sort of panel that holds this in place because the factory one Soupy doesn't want to use. That's really the only reason. It doesn't really fit. It would need to be modified. So anyway, and Soupy's just happy that I've learned how to do slight metal fabrication, so he doesn't have to do it. That's it.
So we gotta mount all these accessories for all the creature comforts. Brian, for some reason, wants AC. So we gotta figure out how to mount it all. But all these brackets are raw. So we're gonna use some Steelit, get them sealed up and anti-rusty.
I heard you say my name.
And your creature comforts.
No, it's because it's not a race car.
Dude, it's a race car.
No, it's a show car that races. Kurt, is this a race car or is this a show car that races?
Is it a race car?
It's got a roll cage and a big ass blower.
And it's got metallic paint.
The way that I see it, everything should be both.
Richard Nixon, that's my final answer.
He's won $1 million!
That's the answer.
Yeah, Soupy, what do I do? Give me a job.
Tell them what to do.
Man, we didn't even account for you because you weren't in the morning meeting.
That's cool. You guys could just forget about me permanently.
Does Vince still work here?
Let's just complicate this.
I just want to be Milton from Office Space. Just keep getting paid. And people just forget I work here. He's sick.
We already have a guy like that.
The only,
How about you do the other side, Vince, so we can have two different looks?
oh, that's a good idea. We could race. Let's race.
Pretty sick.
So we have a misfire, we'll figure out which side it's on. See what's on there.
So what I'm doing is, I need to build a big plate and hold this all together, right? But instead of doing like a cardboard template, I just found a little scrap. I'm gonna make it out of this and then use this as a template to build a bigger one. So it's gonna go like this. There's gonna be a little bit of padding behind here to hold that, and then it's gonna turn down and mount into those two pieces right there. That's it. I have to go to the secret area to make this into that piece. I'll be back. So I did the first little tab, and now I'm just gonna put this little kink in, and then I just gotta notch it out, drill some holes. That should be good. And there we go, from template, full panel. Now let's clean it up, and then notch it and drill some holes.
Yo, you can make white bread so small.
It's like a snowball.
Look at that.
Eat it now.
Take a bite.
You take a bite.
It changes it from white bread to a biscuit. Now it's like biscuit texture.
Yeah, it's kind of like when you're trying to get a pilot bearing out, stick the white bread in there, and then
That's a move.
Crunch that thing up smaller. Yo, who eats a bag full of white bread? Is this some sort of weird TikTok challenge?
No. Kids. We don't get lunch.
hit it like on a stand.
About this here warning. Parts need to be installed by a professional or by someone with years of experience. Installers without experience won't be able to install correctly and won't think the quality is good enough. This is a trunk seal we're talking about here.
Is that supposed to be discouraging or
I feel like that's a diss.
advice?
Well, this is going to be my first trunk seal install, so I don't know about years of experience, but we'll see.
I'm gonna take these tail lights from ashy to classy, but I don't have like any cleaning products. So yeah, I don't know. We're gonna polish these up. I think we can bring these lenses back to life. The surrounds with some metal polish, and it should be good. So we'll see. You gotta clean before you polish, because if you don't, you're just rubbing the dirt in and you're gonna scratch everything up. So we'll clean, we'll buff, we'll wax, and hopefully they'll come out good.
You about to pawn off your job right now?
Temporarily. No, it's not, listen, it's not pawning off your job. It's letting someone experience the fun of polishing. Cali?
Not. I'm just a hand model. I'm stepping in.
That's it. It's all about it's really about where you put your wrist, you know? You know?
Dude, it looks good. You got a tail light in.
Yeah. Oh! Jolly! Bring me the Wonder Bread! Give me a piece of bread! I've solved it.
He got pickles.
Same thing. It turns right into...
Look at that. Tail lights in. Done.
problem solved.
So right now, I'm just about done designing the bracket system that's gonna hold the power steering pump on. About to finish designing it. Gonna cut it out on a plasma cutter. Then we'll weld it up, bolt it up, and we'll see how it works. All right, here we go. Clean these up, then we'll tack them together, fit it up, make sure everything works, and then weld it. Then we're done.
You figuring these out?
I mean, there's just a bunch of screws and different bends. There's no organization. There's no like headlight box. It's just.
There started to be.
Yeah.
It just turned into like a lot of people working on the same project.
Oh yeah, this is your fault, Micah. You were the one who took this thing apart.
Me and a couple other people.
But you were the leader.
Leader?
Yeah, you were the leader.
I'm not the leader. I'll about that.
All my associates.
Run what you brung, baby. Really? Well, find out.
Wait a second. I had a short phone call. That was on.
It wasn't on. I think you saw something. Look, I didn't take this apart, okay? I guess you want to start inside out or outside in. Which direction is this? How many cars have you bought this year?
Let's not talk. It's a personal best. It's a personal best. Personal best. I'm running the
Personal
PB.
best?
I'm running
Wait.
I'm running
Personal
I'm
best?
running a PB right now.
I've never heard anyone say it's my personal best for many cars in a year, and it's only April.
I got the S8 this year.
He's got a lot of secret cars.
I got Secret 1, Secret 2,
new one that's
Secret 3 today. I basically bought Ron's Cresta. He went and picked it up, but I did the deal. It's almost like getting to it.
You get an assist?
I got an assist. I got an assist on that.
You're technically in a car a month.
Brian's gonna have a double-double.
You gotta get 12.
Yeah. Yo, Ron, what else have I bought recently?
This year?
What am I like blanking on?
There's
Oh right. Oh, I totally forgot about the shop. Yeah.
Wait, raise.
Are you talking about the one that's sitting on the floor?
Yeah.
On the leaf spring?
Listen,
Yeah.
don't get into details. It's a race.
No.
You're an enabler. I mean, it's a good game. You keep Scotto busy with cars, and we don't have to worry about our jobs.
Kurt, are you late? Yeah, because I was looking up something on Craigslist for you.
Micah took this car apart, so he might have some insight on how it goes back together.
Yeah, it's right here.
So.
That one and that one on the bottom.
Yeah, there's like way more holes, so there's probably a lot more to do.
Got the parachute for a car that don't run. When this says don't remove it.
All right, so we got the accessories bolted up, the AC compressor's in there, the alternator as well, and then Alex Grimm slapped together this super janky power steering mount. But it looks like it's gonna work. All the creature comforts are in, and then we also got the parachute going.
This thing's coming together, but honestly, together.
What is that? Oh shit! What is that?
Man, we've never restored a car before, and you can tell because when we were pulling this thing apart and we were just like whipping bolts off and throwing them into a pile, now we have no idea where anything goes.
Yeah, we're about to put the trunk on the Donk.
Up higher. More up. There you go, right there. Is that screwing in?
No. Did I grab like the wrong side of the bolt?
I don't know what just happened, but it felt like as soon as we lifted it, everything changed.
I think it might be the wrong bolt. Oh, it's the wrong bolt. Mike can grab the wrong bolt.
I don't like my forehead sweating. I can't stand
Shuby, you tape the edges? Yeah, it's right there. I'm just holding the hood. So that you
Tech
don't
tip,
scrape,
when you
don't-
put a brand new
when it
paint
comes down,
job
you don't
and you want to paint a brand new paint job, put it on your shirt first, desensitize.
Yo,
it.
you can stack bodies.
Pro tip from Shuby. Absolutely, a little bit.
Hey there, hold that. Don't move.
All right, go ahead.
Still alive.
We really did work today.
We did a good job.
Yeah,
Good
we
job,
did.
boys. Good job.
Hooray for us.
That was a terrible.
I thought we were gonna all four it at the same time.
I don't.
Well, hold on again. 3, 2, 1.
I didn't want any part of that. I knew you guys were gonna go hard that time. Anyway, it took me about 3 hours to put these lights on.
They look good though.
Took Micah 2.5 hours to make spark plug wires.
Took me about 7.5 hours to make this. I've only been here for 4, but it still took 7.5 hours. Something.
What did
today?
Vin do? Yeah.
I polished up the tail lights.
Let's see it.
I mounted this rear bumper, testing out a new hardware solution. Look at this, rear bumper on. Tail lights looking less crusty than before.
I put this in.
Yo, this is hot. Chrome parachute.
You put this in?
Yeah, I did that.
We dropped off all these parts to Baer polish for some chroming. Yeah, they did work. Ron laid down the Thermo-Tec heat and sound barrier in, so.
And put a new trunk seal in.
Woo! So this thing's ready for some bump in the trunk. But we still have this table full of parts. So front bumper, this is a grill that I don't think we're gonna use. If you know anyone who has a grill for our Donk, let us know. Bunch of moldings. So we still gotta throw all of this stuff onto there. We still have to finish the roof. Our wheels will be ready next episode.
I don't feel like you saved the wheels to the end.
No way, we gotta get these wheels off this friggin' thing.
I feel like wheels are like the final package.
What about to our fans? I feel like the final package is the burnout.
I mean, the way I see it is if we get all the chrome stuff on and we finish the roof, the wheels need to go on.
Yeah.
Like we could treat ourselves.
Yeah,
with that.
yeah.
Okay.
All right, well, bye Donk. Bye people watching this video. Next time it'll be a car and maybe we'll run